beautiful leafy variegated philodendron plant you will have to keep in a semi-shady area in your garden once you bring it from a nursery. And friends, this is a very easy to grow, low maintenance and a permanent plant in your garden. If you keep it outdoors, make sure to keep it in a shady corner. And this is also for a beginner. These plants are low maintenance and permanent and prefers the shade. So friends, in today's video I will be sharing with you about the plant care tips, some of the plants that I have selected to give you more details and information. So stay tuned with me until the end. The beautiful leafy plant, spider plant, one of the best house plants because this is an air purifier plant, easy to grow from baby reds. And this is also another shade loving plant. Do not keep it in the bright sunlight area, and also do not water them every other day if you have kept them indoors, but you can give it a mist spray in the morning, in every morning, so that the leaves are really very fresh looking and the dust also accumulated will go. So give it a mist spray in the morning and provide fertilizer once a month. That could be anything of your choice, either it be organic or inorganic. So these are the very easy to grow plants for a beginner also. Grow these plants from baby reds. These are the spider reds, and I have done many videos about spider plant and how to grow it. You can check my channel for more details. Wandering Jew, if you take a small cutting, here you can see the stem, and if you put a small cutting in water, within a couple of days you will see how they grow very fast and also easy to grow, low maintenance, low care. Even a beginner gardener can grow them without any gardening knowledge. So this is Wandering Jew, and such a beautiful leafy plant. They are very colorful and they will decor your garden if you put them outdoors. Make sure to put them in corner or in hanging planters. They look very beautiful, either in a small planter or bigger planter. These plants looks really very beautiful. Bring a small cutting of money plant, money pothos, very easy to grow. See, the node area is in water if you are propagating it in water. These are ideal beginner gardeners plants, and also one of the lazy gardeners plants too, because these plants, once you kept indoors, you can water them once a week and also give it a thorough wash, but make sure to give it a mist spray too in the morning. These plants are also shade loving plants and very easy to grow. This is one of the plants a beginner gardener can easily grow. This plant also prefers the semi-shade, not the bright direct sunlight area. And do not go to overwater this plant. Always check the soil and water. Peace lily plant, one of the shade loving plant. So this plant also prefers the shade. You can multiply it easily by dividing once the plant matures. Keep it in the shade, friends. Do not keep it in the bright sunlight area. This is one of the perfect plants for beginners. This plant you can grow with organic fertilizers. You can provide medium to large planters. Do not overwater if you have kept them as indoor plants, because this is also an air purifier. So time to time fertilizing is a must. Give them organic fertilizer. I always advise that. And this is a flowering plant. Main two reasons you will have to keep away from the direct sunlight is these leaves get burned to the direct sunlight, so do not go to keep it in the direct sunlight area. That one thing is very important. And do not overwater. These plants are easy to multiply. Once the plant matures, they will produce baby plants. Only by dividing you can grow these beautiful peace lily plants. Will's backbone plant. Will's backbone or Petilanthus plant. This plant I kept in outdoors, and look at the condition of the plant, friends. Now this plant got caught to the direct sun and it started dropping off all the leaves, and I soon to a semi-shade. And also do not go to overwater this plant. This is also one of the plants you can grow from stems. This is aloe vera, one of the medicinal plants. You can divide and multiply these plants. Also you can grow them with single leaf cutting. One of the beautiful vastu plants and also one of the feng shui plants. A beginner gardener can grow this plant without any trouble, because these plants doesn't seek regular watering. So friends, this is another plant for beginners, and also friends, this is a plant which doesn't like direct sun. So grow this plant in your garden as an outdoor plant too, because this plant is a must have. This is a medicinal plant. As I told you, there are many benefits of keeping aloe vera in your home garden. This is a natural rooting hormone as well.